Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of DC Batman, and it is Battle Armour Batman from Spin Master. From 2023 to 2024. As you can see, Batman's arms can move. Unfortunately, not the legs or the head, but the cape can also move. And this will make a nice display item for your collectibles. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My contact info is in a link in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.